So pack an order with me. This order is headed to Texas and it's a big order, so I'm really excited because I'm going to tell you all about it. The first thing is the SkinBeautiful Clearing Serum. This is a client who did a consult with me. The clearing serum is amazing for acne, refining pores. It's a vitamin A. It has a little whisper of acids in it as well, and it's just an amazing night product for overall anti-aging and clear skin. The next thing she ordered was the Skin Better Cleansing Gel. This is a really great mild sulfate-free cleanser, great for all skin types, even sensitive. It removes makeup, it removes impurities, and it's just a really great all-around AM and PM cleanser. Next is Skin Better Peel Pads, which is just a great exfoliant for congested skin, oily skin, acneic skin. It contains their alpha-ret as well as a mix of 3 different acids. It's really great. I have not had to move out of this spot. Next, she got the Refining Foam Cleanser, brand new. This is so exciting. It is a foaming cleanser that also has a light acid mix, so it's going to be great for oily acneic skin and keeping those pores clear and clean. Next up is Calm from Plated. This is a platelet-derived exosome serum, and it contains over 1 trillion exosomes in each bottle. It's going to be for complete rejuvenation. I personally love Calm over the Intense and Daily. Not that they're all not great, but I love this one too because it works so well under SPF and makeup and is great for anybody who experiences sensitivities or red skin. One of my favorite shelves, the Elastin shelf. The next product she purchased is Restorative Skin Complex. This is such a phenomenal product because it's not only like a growth factor alternative, but it also contains ingredients and technology that clears out old dead collagen so your body can naturally replace it. Collagen and elastin are basically the framework to your skin. So when you use the Trihex technology from elastin, you're going to experience not just overall skin rejuvenation, but also lifting and firming. And last but not least is the Color Science Barrier Pro Cleanser. I really love this product as well. She had a lot of my favorites. This is incredible for taking off your entire SPF, makeup, the entire day in one cleanse. It's a 2-in-1, so no need for multiple cleanses unless you're a little extra and like to do that. This is perfect for mineral SPF and mineral makeup. Really great because as a Barrier Pro product, it makes sure that your barrier stays intact and it doesn't strip your skin of essential vitamins and nutrients. Her order qualified for a free beach tote bag. This one is from Aven, and I'm putting in a Color Science sample, which is the Flex and Medium, our best selling, the Neova DNA Total Repair, a SkinCeutical CE Ferulic, a Rescue MD, and another Total Eye sample.